Hi, my name is Delaney Power, and since it's Halloween, don't you want to make a Halloween special? So this is it. Now we're making ghost green slime today. Are you ready? Let's get started. So add 1/3 of a can of Sprite. Let's hope this doesn't spill. It'll make it extra fizzy. Next, add one of these thingies of ghost powder. And then one of these things of vinegar. Tablespoon of vinegar. And then I'll pour it into my cauldron. Yo. When you're doing the pouring, make sure an adult helps you so you don't spill. Look how fizzy that is. Next, add red food coloring. Just like a smudge of red food coloring. And that looks like blood. Now add 3 drops of green food coloring. 1, 2, tres. Tres stands for 3 in Spanish, so it's uno, dos, tres. Makes it kind of a black color, which we want. And then add one of these things. One of these thingies of cornstarch. The ghost powder is just really baking soda that made it fizz. It's not really ghost powder. This is supposed to make it help on turning it slimy-ish. Like little clumps. So it looks like little mini eyeballs growing in. Make sure an adult helps you push it down so you don't spill. Now, if you are just doing it without an adult, I will do it over the bowl that you're making it in. You know. Ew, this is gross. It's like a gooey green color-ish. Now, let's add it into our spooky cauldron and hope no one knows what we did or how we got the recipe. Ready for a spectacular night.